I wasn't experiencing any type of symptoms as for pain, but it was more of I wanted a smile makeover. I really was not happy with the smile that I had, with what I presented when I was smiling, when I was laughing. I was very self-conscious of it. So when I had the opportunity financially, I decided to make the decision. From the very beginning, from the person who greets you at the door to the explanation of everything that's going to be done, the genuineness of Dr. Cho really comes through. I can't emphasize so much how comfortable I felt afterwards. It makes a huge difference to know that they truly care about your comfort while you're going through this. I would not go anywhere else. I can't recommend this place highly enough. When I decided to do this, in 2016, I was coming up to my 40th high school reunion, and I was doing the planning on that. And it was, at that point, yes, the vanity. What am I going to look like? But then again, once I saw this, then I realized that I do need to take care of this. I smiled that whole evening of the party. I smiled so much. I couldn't stop smiling. The joy of seeing my friends that I had not seen in 40 years, but also knowing that I could smile and that I wasn't embarrassed, that I didn't want to hold back. I really wanted to show off my teeth because I was proud. And I was very, very happy that I really had the opportunity to meet Dr. Cho and her staff and to know that in a sense there's a miracle worker out there. So, yes. She's been blessed with a gift to make people smile, help them smile again. For the very first time, I had the complete set of teeth that I should have had from the very beginning. She gave me the smile I've always wanted. It's a huge relief. It's knowing that what I'm feeling, I can actually show now and not be afraid of my smile or be embarrassed about my smile.